declutter. Oh, fuck. If you like DIY, if you like saving money, and you like organizing, this video is for you. Hello my beautiful butterflies, and welcome back to my channel. My name is Holly if you don't know me, and thank you so much for tuning into today's video. This is going to be a mini series because after filming all of the footage there was a lot of it, so I wanted to break this up into a couple of videos to make it a little less overwhelming and more enjoyable to watch for you all. So this is the first part of my beauty room declutter, reorganization, transformation, where I am attempting to reorganize all of my beauty products in my new space while also getting rid of products and just doing a complete transformation using really cost-effective methods. So if you like DIY, if you like saving money, and you like organizing, this video is for you. So if you would like to watch me do a little transformation on my beauty room, then just keep on watching. So I wanted to give you a little before shot. It is very messy, very chaotic. When we first moved into this space, I knew I was filming this video at some point. So when I was unpacking all of my beauty products, I literally just shoved them into the drawers where they fit in no particular order. So everything is very messy. So just wanted to show you a little before shot before I start making over the top part of the beauty dresser, as well as tackling the drawers. 사람들은 겉모습만 판단하니까 하나 둘씩 사람들은 날 떠나가나 별거 없어 믿은 내 잘못이지 It's hurting me but I have to pretend No one cares about me I'm so lonely. So now that I have finished the top parts of the beauty dresser in my closet, I am now going to set up my makeup brushes in my makeup brush holder. 지금 우린 함께 할 수 있을까 Baby 네 눈을 보면 알 수 있을까 너도 내 맘과 같았으면 좋겠어 네 조금 느린 발걸음이 나는 좋았어 Barefoot, barefoot Take off your shoes and step on the bed 가고 싶을 때 내가 보고 싶을 때 또 네가 많이 아플 때 이 노래를 들어줘 절대 추운 날은 없을 거야 Cause I'll be with you 오늘도 좋은 꿈만 꿨으면 좋겠어 baby Barefoot, barefoot Take off your shoes and Day 2. So this is what the top of the beauty dresser is looking like right now. In the daytime, I did all of the organizing and stuff like that in the nighttime, which is why the lighting is much different, but I thought it would be better to show you guys during the day kind of what it looks like. I'm really happy with how it all looks. So essentially I have all of my hair accessories and everything on this tray that I spray painted. If you guys have followed me for a while, you would have seen this tray a couple years ago on my previous makeup vanity renovation where I spray painted this silver tray copper. I outgrew the copper, so I spray painted it this really nice matte denim. This was a gold basket that I also spray painted the same matte denim color because I'm like copper, not gold, and this held all of my scrunchies perfectly. And then I used this little white tin from HomeSense to store all of my hair claw clips in really nicely. And then this is a sign from, I believe, HomeSense. My sister got it for me for Christmas, and there's nowhere for it around the house, so I wanted to find somewhere to display it. This is just a bracelet of some nice little stones that I thought just tied in the colors of the sign really well. And then on this side here, we have all of my makeup brushes. So this is a plant pot stand from IKEA. It no longer exists anymore, unfortunately. It was gray and I spray painted it copper. Looking back, I kind of feel like I went a little crazy on how much stuff I spray painted copper and wish I didn't. I kind of now wish that I left this the gray that it was, but you live and you learn. So I have all of my makeup brushes organized in here, all separated with some really cheap just beans from Walmart. And then I have my business cards, and then this is a little just glass tray I got from More Than a Fad. It's an amazing consignment store, thrift store in Edmonton. Highly recommend checking them out. And I just put all of my little perfume samples in there. It just felt like that was a nice pop of color. And then I put my mirror here because it's great, because then I can stand here and quickly put my hair up and have a mirror to see what I'm doing. And I did clean it, but it looks like the microfiber cloth kind of left a bunch of little fibers there, so don't mind that. But I'm super happy with how this turned out. So the next step is the drawers, and they are a mess, as I showed you last night. So Fraser kind of helped me figure out the best way of doing the lining for the drawers, the easiest and most simple way. So basically Fraser helped me measure the dresser drawers, so this is all his idea. Credit to him for this, because I probably would have made this task 12 times more difficult for myself. So we measured out the drawer, and then Fraser used a ruler just to make sure everything was properly squared off, and cut this piece of cardboard here that's to size of the drawers. So essentially what I can do is just take this drawer lining here and roll it underneath the template, just trace it out with pencil and then cut it to shape, and then that way it'll be the same shape and fit in all of the dresser drawers perfectly, but then I don't have to try and mess around.
Don't you cry, baby, even if 12 o'clock midnight.
So I am done filling all these drawers with the liners, and I'm so happy I could cry. Oh my god. That was a fucking task and a half. I'm so happy, and now it's time to fill them up with organizers and put all the makeup stuff back in. I'm so excited. So I got these organizers off of Amazon. I will link them in the description box down below, and basically I'm going to put these in every single drawer if needed, and basically put the dividers where needed to help sort the products individually as best as possible. So I'll do one sample drawer with these just so you can kind of get an idea about how they fit in together, and then I'm going to do the rest off camera so that it's not super boring. Okay, so I realized it'll be easier to show you on the ground. Okay, so I've laid all this out, and none of these have been cut, and these going this way, I have cut 3 of these off of the side just so that it fits perfectly in my beauty dresser, and then you basically just go in and just shimmy that in there to fit it into the little nooks. So you essentially just have to bend these back and forth to kind of loosen up that material there in the middle, and then I go in with scissors and it cuts really easy. Max is going to go investigate that for me, and then you just pop it in like that. So I'm just going to keep doing that with the rest of them until it fills up this entire tray. It's beautiful. Now time to put it in the drawer. Yay! Oh, that is perfect. I love. This is gonna organize all of my lip products so well. I'm so stoked. And now repeating this to the rest of the drawers.
3 hours later.
Alright, so I just placed the first lining in my big drawer. It was interesting to say the least. I love this beautiful plant look. It just looks really beautiful. I just basically wanted to have something sticky that was going to be protective on the base of these drawers because I had this gross sheet on there for the last like 5 years and it needed to go. So now I am putting all of my organizers into this drawer how I feel like I'll be able to properly organize all of my products best. And the things that I ended up putting into this drawer are the skincare products that didn't fit well in my beauty dresser, as well as a lot of my hair accessories. So enjoy this awesome time lapse of that. So that is one drawer organized. So I have, to say the least, a lot of of makeup. Stay tuned for part 2 to see the rest. Alrighty, so that completes part 1 of my beauty room declutter, reorganization, transformation. Thank you all so much for watching. Please make sure that you give this video a big thumbs up and subscribe to my video. So many of you beautiful butterflies who watch my videos aren't subscribed, so please take a second to go subscribe to my channel. It helps me out a lot, it means a lot to me, and it's free, so can't go wrong with free things. And check out my Instagram where I post a lot more frequently. Stay tuned for part 2 of this mini series. I love you beautiful butterflies all so much, and I will see you in the next one.